In the orchards of Saveh, men and women in traditional clothing gather ripe pomegranates under the autumn sun. With baskets full of fruit, villagers walk through the orchards, their laughter echoing among the pomegranate trees. In the village courtyard, women carefully open the pomegranates and gently separate the juicy seeds by hand. In the village courtyard, men pour heaps of pomegranates in the center, while women sit around, rhythmically removing the seeds. Large copper pots are placed over wood fires, where the pomegranate seeds slowly boil and release their rich juice. Women carefully stir the boiling mixture and skim the foam from the surface, ensuring a smooth, rich molasses. After boiling, the softened seeds are strained through a large sieve, separating the juice from the pulp. The clear pomegranate juice is returned to the copper pots, boiling for hours until it thickens into a dark molasses. After hours of careful boiling, the juice thickens into a rich, dark pomegranate molasses, ready to be stored and enjoyed. In Persian cuisine, pomegranate molasses enhances stews, salads, and sauces, adding a unique sweet and tangy flavor.